Okay, today we got Module 4, Lesson 28, lesson objectives that you're going to be able to create and solve word problems involving dividing a unit fraction by a whole number and dividing a whole number by a unit fraction. Now, you're going to have your quiz today on your homework assignment you've had all week. So you're going to have 15 minutes to do that, okay? And then you're going to be doing this. So you're going to be giving a problem or basically a model of the problem, and you're going to have to create the problem, okay? And then you're going to have to solve it. Then if we have time, we'll go around and evaluate each other's work. Okay. All right. So let's get started. And we're still in MAF NF 27, apply and extend previous understandings of division to divide unit fractions by whole numbers and whole numbers by unit fractions. Okay. So now we got a tape diagram here. And I'm going to highlight some of the things on it. We can see the total on top here was 5 meters. Don't know what 5 meters, that's for me to make up. And it says they're split up into quarters and wants to know how many fourths of a meter I have. Okay, so I'm going to start off by saying Mr. Maxwell had 5 meters of ribbon. He cut the ribbon into 1/4 meter pieces. How many 1/4 meter ribbons did he have? Okay, now let's apply the problem. I have 5 meters of ribbon. I cut them into quarters. So basically I'm saying 5 meters divided by into 1/4 meters. By now we should know that's 5 divided by 4/1, which equals 5. And that turns into multiplication because we flipped the fraction, which is 5 times 4/1, which equals 20 pieces. Okay? All right, let's try another one. Now this one, I can see there's a hole here. Well, we're talking about 1/4. Okay? And I've taken that quarter and I split it into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. So let's come up here and say Mr. Maxwell had 1/4 of a pie left. Now we know I wouldn't leave any pie left, but this is a story. Okay. He decided to split the pie equally with, or instead of with, let's say between, and we have 5 sections, 5 students, lucky students. What portion of the whole pie did each student get? All right. So I can see this is already split up into fifths. So if I continued, since this is the whole pie right here, in the drawing, I can split this into fifths. That'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And I can see how the whole pie, that'd be, well, the students would have one of, there's 5, 10, 15, 20. Say each student would get 1 20th of the pi. Now, I did that using a tape diagram. Now, let's see. If we took 1/5 of 1/4, which equals 1/5 times 1/4, that equals 1/20. Okay, so tomorrow you're going to get a tape diagram, and then you're going to have to create a word problem and then solve it. Okay? Hopefully we'll have enough time to go over them. If not, we'll go over them on Monday. And I'll be back on Monday. All right? Have a good weekend. Bye-bye.